Congratulations! You're expecting! Over the next 40 weeks, you'll be taking a lot of baby steps to prepare for the newest member of your family. Baptist Health will be by your side to help you through those transitions and celebrate the milestones. At 8 weeks, it's time to measure your baby. Your baby has grown from the size of a poppy seed to a raspberry. His hands and feet have webbed fingers and toes, and very soon, the tissue between his digits will be reabsorbed to reveal individual fingers and toes. At 12 weeks, you'll get to hear the sweet sound of your baby's heartbeat. Now your baby's almost 3 inches long, about the size of a plum. Fingernails, toenails, and bones are forming, and a fine layer of hair covers most of her body. As you begin your second trimester, you'll need to have monthly doctor visits. At 13 weeks, your beautiful baby is the size of a Meyer lemon, and his vocal cords are beginning to develop. At week 15, your baby is on the move, and her growth will continue to be monitored. Now the size of an apple, her brain controls all the muscles in her body, and she's able to move. Yes, she'll even do somersaults. Week 20, a big question can be answered. Will your baby be a boy or a girl? Either way, your baby is now the size of a small artichoke, and he or she may have thin eyebrows and begin to grow hair on his or her head. As your third trimester begins, it's important to make sure you and baby are remaining healthy. 25 weeks in, your baby is the size of a head of cabbage. He's developing a firm grasp and may reach out and grab the umbilical cord. He can also stick out his tongue. 1 week later, your baby is nearly as long as a head of lettuce. Her eyebrows and eyelashes are well defined, plus she has more hair on her head this week. Your due date is quickly approaching, and it's time for you to start getting some rest. At week 28, your baby is now the size of a large eggplant, and when you talk, he's listening. He may even be able to distinguish between your voice and others. As your pregnancy winds down, it's time to make sure your baby is preparing for her big debut. Your baby is the size of a pineapple, and her taste buds are developed. She may even acquire a preference for the foods you eat, which she sometimes samples. At 40 weeks, you're now full term and ready to meet your little one. By the time your baby is born, it could weigh as much as a watermelon. Now it's time to celebrate, and don't forget, we'll be here for you and your baby every step of the way.